Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have corneal opacities, right? Corneal opacities can be of different types. First, we have nebula. Okay, nebula is actually in the corneal opacities. Nebula is a superficial scars are seen in the nebula, and these superficial scars are mainly involved the Bowman's layer and superficial stroma, and this superficial stroma involvement is less than one third of the superficial stroma is involved. Treatment of nebula is by keratectomy by excimer laser can be used, or we can also use lamellar keratoplasty can also be used in the nebula. So treatment nebula is actually a superficial scars where Bowman's membrane is involved in the nebula, Bowman's layer and superficial stroma is involved in less than one third, and treatment of this is by keratectomy and excimer laser. So it's a superficial scar with only less than one third of the stromal involvement.
thank you and thank you for watching.